Right now, we're gonna do decon. We are going to be wrapping this car in full body PPF. So we're gonna start the process right now. Do I look cute? This is an M3 competition. We're gonna be installing PPF full body. So I'm gonna start the process, which is called the iron decontamination process. So what I'm using here, this is Sonax car detergent. So right now, I'm going to brush out all the edges. Make sure I get in every edge where there's paint, where we're potentially going to be wrapping it, just so I can loosen up the dirt. So throughout the whole wash process, it'll be less and less. I like to start from top to bottom. Start with the roof. Just brush out these edges. As I'm doing this, I like to feel the paint as well to see how much we need to decon. So there's levels to decontamination. So the surface level would be the clay bar. So clay bar, you obviously add lubricant, you rub it on the paint, takes off the surface contamination. So when we go to iron decons, that's a chemical decontamination that goes deeper into the paint, pulls it out. Kind of like a pimple, you're popping the pimple. With this you spray it and it's popping all the little zits in the paint. Right now, I'm doing the contact wash, just taking away anything that can be removed just from this mitt. So now I am going to clean the wheels, wheel well, and the rims. Now we're gonna rinse off the soap and the tires. Let's do it. It's the iron decontamination process. So this is also from Sonax. So this process, when we apply it onto the paint, it's gonna extract all the iron deposits within the paint, and you will see it as purple. Watch this. So with white cars, you'll see it more, but with darker colored cars, it's harder to capture that process. It blends in with the paint. It's still happening, it's still happening.
Let's put lunch, Tony.
I'm craving some sushi, like some shrimp tempura. Nice little workout. Pump it louder. This is a clay bar. So right now I'm gonna try and mold it to be more flat. All right, so now I'm gonna start the clay bar. So we use soap to kind of keep the lubricant. So now I'm trying to take off the surface contamination. If you don't, let's say we wrap it, you'll see a nice little bump on the surface of the paint. So that's what we're trying to eliminate right here. It's not too bad. So throughout the whole decon process, each step eliminates bit by bit. So my goal by the time I get to the clay bar is to have minimal contamination. So we kind of achieved that so far. So yeah, this car feels pretty good. But I still want to go over it just because, you know, perchance there is a little piece. You want to cover as much surface area as you can. What happens if I don't use soap? That the clay is abrasive and it would end up scratching the paint. I'm gonna do the final rinse. Let's get it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and dry this car and we're gonna send it off to the PPF.
So we're working on a G80 M3 and the car is going fully stealthed out, but I'm just printing out the few pieces that stay gloss, like the headlights and the like piano trims, stuff like that. This is the hardest part here. It's a big stretch, and the more you stretch the film, you get like distortions and stuff. You gotta find a sweet spot. Yeah, it looks good. Oh my god, my song's playing. After the first install, the wet install, we just let the edges dry and then we just trim the excess and start tucking in the film. It promotes the adhesive layer underneath the film. It dries out the film and all that. Every edge you can think of, this happens.
I'm tinting the windows on this M3. Johnny just finished the PPF. It's getting a ceramic tint on all the windows.
What percentage is this?
This is 20%.
What's your favorite percentage on the car?
On my personal car, I have 5% on the doors and 20 on my windshield.
What do you have in the rear?
I actually put vinyl over my rear doors. No, my rear hatch, because I have a Bronco with the soft top and the windows are plastic. So
So the M3 is done. We're just going through our final QC process right now. This car got full stealth PPF, as you can see. It also got window tint all around, and it also got ceramic coating on all exterior surfaces, including the bottom rockers. Everything on this car is completely coated and protected. We are just waiting on the customer to arrive and deliver the car to them. Aside from that, like I said, last final QC things, wiping some stuff down on the interior, just making sure the exterior is as perfect and pristine as it can be. But yeah, aside from that, this car looks pretty amazing, I think. that's it for the M3 video. If you have a car that you would like for us to tackle, please bring it by. We would more than love to do that for you. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for our next one. Please make sure, remember, to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys would want to see out of us next. Thank you.